OpenAI just launched a crazy new tool called Sora, and it's changing the way videos are created forever. With Sora, you can generate ultra realistic AI videos from just text prompts. But here is the catch: most people get stuck at the code part. So stick with me till the end of this video because I will be dropping the access code at a random point. In this video, I will walk you through step by step how to access and start using Sora. Write perfect prompts for cinematic video results, generate short realistic AI videos, and also get your Sora code and use it correctly and share with others as well. And bonus tip to make money using Sora generated content. Alright, so this video is for educational purpose only. I do not represent or have direct affiliation with OpenAI or Sora developers. This aim is to help creators learn how to use AI tools responsibly and creatively. Alright, so now the first thing we're going to do is come over to your browser and search for Sora AI. That is Sora 2. Now, when you search for Sora 2, the next thing you are going to pick this one that has .com. So you can see the interface right here. Now you come over and click on enter invite code. This is the number one thing. But the challenging part is that you see if I'm to insert a code now, all right, so I have my own code, the code I'm going to use to do that. But the challenging part is that I need to use VPN, right? So I need to use VPN. But before doing that, now how do I get code? I can get it in a Discord server. What I'm going to do is to come over and sign up into a Discord server. When you come over and sign into Discord server, all you're going to do is just to join. Let's register first so that you see how everything is being done. It's so easy and simple because without this part you might not get. So now I've skipped that part. I've gotten that already. So you can just come over and sign up. I've skipped the part of signing up. So you just come over and search for. So when you come over to OpenAI, you join their group. When you join the group, you'll see the discussion part. When you get to the discussion group, you'll see people are posting codes every day. So when you just open it and check, you'll see code, anyone that works. The only part of the code is that it only works for 4 users. So which means it might go there and check and you see that it's no more available. You just have to be active to get the code right. All right, so let me come over and enter the code that I've gotten already. So now me entering this code, let me do that right here. Now this is the code I just got for my own to start this. All right, so I'm doing this live so that you see how it's being done. All right, so now I've pasted it. Now join new Sora. Now you can see what it's saying, that Sora is not available in Nigeria yet. Now don't worry, that's why I said just stick to this video. That's the main reason why you're here. Now what I'm going to do is to turn on my VPN and make sure that I set my location to US, right? So I'll just come over and click on connect to VPN. You can try any free VPN of your choice. If you don't have any free VPN, you can use this one right here, this Planet VPN. So what I'm going to do is after turning on the VPN, I will refresh the page and put the code again. All right, so once I put the code once again, then let's try it again and see the outcome. Let's see the result. If it's going to create this account for us. Like guys, this tool is so amazing and it is the top tool right there right now. So if you have not started using this Sora, I guess you are still behind. View 3 is now going down. Like guys, I don't really know. Literally, this thing is crazy. Like guys, now I'm in 100%. So you can see welcome to the new Sora. So I'll just come over and click on get started and let's see the samples. Like let's see what people are. It's just like TikTok account. Like it literally gives you an account that you can just create and post.
Nothing will happen.
People are creating.
Don't the
all this
screen.
Are done with the use of
nothing will happen.
Like I don't really know how this is being done. But like this
don't try.
Crazy.
6,
like
7.
Just
you double tap the screen.
It looks so real. So
nothing.
Perfect. Like it does not get the output is not like the one of View 3. Like this is more perfect than View 3. So guys, try this out and see what I mean. Like try it out and see what I mean by that. All right, so now these are templates. These are what people are creating, what people have created, and that's that. So now we're in this video. Don't worry, I said it. I'm going to show us. I'm going to create one right in this video, and so that you can see it for yourself. Not as if I'm just showing you a review, but I'm going to create one for you to also see as well. So these are samples of what people have created in the past. All right, so let me skip all these parts and go right to my profile. All right, so this is my profile. You can see I have zero followers and everything. So I'm following one person now. What I'm going to do next is I want to add my own prompt. Like I want to create my own video. So guys, this is so amazing. But before you can access all these parts, you have to get a code first. Don't worry, as I said at the random point in this video, I am going to drop the code. So note that I will drop that. So now let's paste in this prompt and click on generate. So you can see the video will soon be ready. Now I will skip the waiting part and see it for ourselves. So guys, this is so amazing. So our video is ready. Let's come over and let's try to set up our account. Let me put in my profile and my bio, everything. So let me set everything ready. Once I'm done setting, so let's try this part of image to video. Now let's try it out and see if it's going to work. I'm also trying it out for the first time, so let's see if it's going to work. But the part is that, okay, let's see the result. Let's see what is going to happen. After waiting for a long, you see, it said this is not available. Like I can't generate this with image because it's currently not available, right? So it's currently not available. But the best part is that those with iPhone, those with iOS device, they are the one that are going to enjoy this tool mostly because it's only made available for those using iOS or those using laptop. So you can see our result is here. Like this is amazing. Don't worry, I'm going to play this.
Thank you,
video
OpenAI, for
us
giving me the
see
chance to
how
use Sora
it
AI.
is. Like,
I know it's going to push my creativity to a whole new level, and I'm excited to explore what I can make with it. I really appreciate the opportunity.
thank you for watching to this point. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get more amazing tips from me like this. See you in the next video.